So now let's finish up with binomial distributions, and we're going to do when there's a more than or an at least scenario. So part D was Joe will get more than 9 test questions correct, and E was Joe will get at least 5 test questions correct. The big difference between D and E is more than means there's not an equal sign, and E at least means there is an equal sign in that equation. So let's look at these. So for D again, I'm doing what's the probability Joe will get more than 9 test questions correct. All right. So again, when I got all my stuff from Minitab. Remember, C2 is for exact values only. I can't do anything except those exact values. CDF means that it's including its value in what's before it. So again, for 2, for that 0.0032, that means that's the probability you get 2, 1, or 0 questions correct. Okay, so remember that again. All right, so here we go. So more than 9. So if I look at this right here, right here, 0.91656, and there's 9, that means 9 and below. But this question wants just more than 9. So the easiest way for me to do that then is to go get this value where 9 questions, 9 and below gives me 0.91656, and subtract it from 1, because that 0.91656 is 9 in every scenario below. But if I want above 9, all I do is subtract 1 from that number and I get 0.08344. And that's the probability Joe will get correct more than 9 test corrections, and that's 0.08344. And again, that's about roughly 8%. And again, how did I get that? I just went to the opposite way of these. I kind of flipped it. So this was, remember, 9 and below. And basically what I did is I just took the values above. And a cool thing is, okay, say that confuses the crap out of you. All you have to do then is go to the exacts and add 10, 11, and 12 together, and you get roughly that. Okay, let's do that final one for this. All right. So probability Joe will get at least 5 test questions correct. All right, so what you could do with that one is you could go to your exact values and add all this together, 5 through 12. And that's a pain because those are the exact values and you're just adding them together. The shortcut way to do this is at least 5. So what does at least 5 look like? So it's going to be probability of X. Let me insert it, at least. Okay, that's what that means. Okay, so the probability that X is greater than or equal to 5, okay? So again, remember all these CDF numbers are below, so this is right here, if I look 5 and below, but I want 5 and above. Well, the easiest way to do this is I'm gonna look at 4, and I've got 0.05731. So that is all the times that it's 4 and below. So all I do then is I get the value of 4, and I subtract it from 1. So again, my value of 4 was 0.05731. And if I subtract that from 1, I get 0.94267. So the probability that Joe will get at least 5 test questions correct, 0.9427, or 94% of the time he'll get at least 5 test questions correct. He may get more, but he'll never go below that 5. All right.